they started care when somebody is nonverbal, they can say no words at all, or nonverbal is also can be a very small vocabulary. So he was completely nonverbal. No, he didn't talk or say any words at all. And then after his very first adjustment, he looked at Dr. Lazar and he said, "Thank you, doctor." And Dr. Lazar was like, "Oh, you're welcome." And we heard him say that and we're like, "That's so cool." And when his mom and grandma started crying, we didn't realize that he was completely nonverbal with no, like, zero words within his vocabulary. And so that was really, really awesome to hear. And that was just one adjustment